10. Google Map 9 o'clock. Pero ito yan. This one.
Okay.
One more.
Maaga pa daw yung yung Mangwon. So kape-kape muna kami dito sa Mega Coffee.
Ito yung potato bread. Nawala na itsura na cut ko na eh.
Mami, try mo tong double shot of espresso. Ang laking kape. Matapang. Kaya lang baka...
Matapang pero hindi siya yung mapait na kape. Sarap, Daddy.
Sarap na.
Mega coffee. Masarap yung kape niya, ah.
Sarap yung dito. How about yours? Good?
Have this during the winter time.
And then, after Mega Coffee, let's go! Photo booth! Only 1,000 bills.
Yeah,
So, 1,001 lang?
It'll show you the price when you
Okay.
choose.
Oh, so cute! Dilis. Amoy panis. Just one? And
One cup.
tteokbokki.
Yes.
Wow. Yummy.
Try natin tong tawag dito na spicy.
Fish cake. Pero sa Korea, ano tawag dyan?
They call it like in Japanese, may oden.
Oden. Oden. Sabi mo spicy. Di ba sabi mo spicy? You like it? You like the gimbap? Yum. Good.
It's like peach something.
Ang tamis. Yes, peach nga.
Ito,
Lasang
Ano to?
peach. So,
tteokbokki.
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 Sweet juice, peach flavor. Tama, peach nga yung nalalasahan ko. Oh, it has probiotic, ate. 0.5%. Yeah, everybody will try it. Masarap dito. Masarap tong stall na to. Kaya lang, you have to order 1 meal per person to be able to sit down dun sa loob. We have to save space sa stomach para marami tayo. Para marami tayo matry. Sarap yan, no? Masarap din siya. So far, so good.
Okay, ito yung una kong order, dumpling. Goodbye. Dumpling.
Sarap. Malaki, no? Malaki.
Laki. Meal na pala siya.
Oh, udon. Ito yung udon.
I like that about them.
I wanna try the sabaw. The soup. Let's try the soup.
Was it?
Good.
Mapait.
Is it good?
Mapait yung udon.
Is it good?
Yeah, okay lang. Mapait yung sabaw.
So it's soybean soup, cold soup. It's eaten during the summer, and it's like, yeah, a very popular dish. There's this whole debate where, like, if do you put sugar or salt in it?
Ano to? Salt?
Salt.
Anong lasa? Lasang milk?
Plain lang.
Parang milky soup.
Milky soup.
Mm.
Noodles and noodles. I want noodles. I want noodles.
Masarap, Daddy. I like it. Sarap ng dumpling. So, kung babalik ako dito, Daddy, ang o-orderin ko ulit ito, dumplings.
Yep.
Masarap siya, malasa siya. And then yung kimchi masarap din. Yung kimchi nila dito na side dish. Which is free. This is libre.
I'm really hungry.
Mhm.
How do you like your noodles,
You like the noodles, Mara?
I like the noodles.
Yeah.
Describe what are you seeing right now? What do you see?
Crab.
Crab. What else? Fish.
Fishes
Mm,
and squid.
squid. Yep.
And
What else?
clam.
Clam. Oh, over there, clam. Yeah, meron sila dito sa Mangwon Market. Ang ganda ng espada nila, oh.
And there's a boy. I don't know what that fish sea creature is. There's a long sea creature. The country we are. The
Yan ang
country.
daming
The country.
South Korea. Why?
We're in.
South?
No, this looks like Philippines.
Oh, it looks like Philippines.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's stinky.
Because it's a market.
Yeah. Squid. There's squid.
Good shrimp. Mm-hmm.
And shrimp. And there's clam also.
There's clam too. Yeah. So get mango na. Yun na yun. Gusto mo tikman na yung chicken. Walang hotok dito ah. Kahit
You really like
saan
banana.
mapadpad. Mango monster.
Di ba?
Oh, sour. Sour?
Pero masarap.
Sour?
Pero
Can you
sarap.
try? Ang asim. Konti. Yan. Ay, pinahid na. Ano ba yan? Ton? Oh, may tokboki. So, ito yung chicken. Natikman ko na siya. Masarap sana kung mainit. Naka-display lang kasi ito doon ni Daddy. Hindi na siya mainit. Real hot dog. Top ate. I like the bread.
How was it?
Sarap. You want? Chewy bread, tapos masarap yung feeling niya. Kaparehas nung yung nasa box, di ba?
Hold on.
Yeah.